lot of people ask for baby hair tutorials, and so why not use ᴍᴜᴜᴏ as a model? So the 3 things I like to use to accomplish baby hair is the Eco Gel. I like the green, but honestly any Eco Gel would work. An old toothbrush. If you want to get super detailed, a rat tail comb. First thing that I'm going to do is get a little bit of gel on my fingers, place it around her hairline. Next, I'm going to take my toothbrush and kind of just start picking out her baby hairs. And the key to slay baby hair is not too much. You don't want it to really look like a bang. All the way around. Now it's time for the fun part, getting super duper detailed. What I like to do is have some of her hairs go one way, like the opposite direction. I'll also show you guys how to get that, like, the little circle effect. Her hair is already naturally curly, so some of her baby hairs just naturally kind of go into that circle. Right here, how it just kind of goes into a circle. Just kind of do your own little designs. Over here, I'm gonna do this in the opposite direction. And then here, I'll start doing something else. So the key is to have the right amount of gel. You don't want the hair to be too dry. I'm gonna just kind of take this little piece. We're gonna make a little circle out of that. So the pieces that are a little bit longer, I'm able to create the little circles with. And then over here, I'm gonna do the little swoop. I'm gonna take a little bit more hair right here so I can show you guys how I create the little circles. Put it where I want the circle to be, and then I'm gonna use the rat tail portion of the comb. What I first like to do is the thickest part, kind of start swooping. And then I get the rat tail comb and literally just start shaping her hair into a circle. So I'll use one finger to hold down part of the circle, use the rat tail comb to keep circling the rest of her hair. So it's kind of like you're molding it into a circle. And the cool thing about like doing baby hairs is it doesn't have to be the exact same on each side. And that is pretty much it. So we'll let Jay do a little bit of voguing, and I'll let her do the outro.
Yay! Thanks for watching.